Main idea, objective 5. The objective for the day is read a short paragraph and identify the main idea. The most important thinking question for us here becomes, what is the paragraph about? What does the author want to say? Let's look at a few strategies. The first, the title. Next, the first line of the paragraph or the topic statement. Next, the last line of the paragraph or the concluding statement. And the last one, there could also be repeated ideas in the middle. These can give us some hints about the main idea. However, this is seen mostly in simple passages. Sometimes the main idea can also be hidden. Let's look at a passage. Snakes eat their prey whole. Their teeth are rear-facing, which help them keep their prey in their mouth. Snakes hunt mostly at night. Below is the main idea bank, and there are three main idea statements in it. Now let's use the strategies to find the main idea of this passage. Since there is no title, we'll go to the next strategy, that is to look for the main topic sentence. Snakes eat their prey whole. The highlighted sentence is the topic sentence. Now let's look at the next strategy, that's the concluding statement. Snakes hunt mostly at night. So this also speaks about snakes. Now let's look at the middle highlighted portion. Teeth are rear facing and prey in their mouths. Now all these talk about the eating habits of snakes. Therefore, we can conclude that the main idea of this passage is how do snakes eat their food. Let's take another example. Snakes are flexible reptiles. They come in many different colors and some of them are venomous. Snakes can be as small as 2 inches or as long as 38 feet. Again, we have the main idea bank. Now let's look at the strategies. Since this passage also doesn't have a title, we'll go to the next strategy, that is to look for the topic sentence. Snakes are flexible reptiles. That is the topic sentence which is highlighted. Now we'll go to the next strategy, that is the concluding statement of the passage. Snakes can be as small as 2 inches or as long as 38 feet. Now for the highlighted version in the middle statement. Many different colors, some of them are venomous. Here, since all of this is talking about what are snakes like, we will choose the topic statement as what are snakes. Now we'll take another example about kittens. Kittens need special care. You have to feed kittens twice a day. They have a lot of energy. You need to play with them often. Kittens will chew on almost anything they find. You have to watch them closely. Let's see what is the main idea. What do you think is the main idea of this passage? Is it kittens will chew on almost everything? Is it kittens need special care? Yes, the main idea of this is kittens need special care because it's talking about how we have to take care of the kittens. We'll use one more example. The puppy began to eat, but then he stopped. He yawned and stretched. He chased his tail He rolled over and barked. He licked his paw. Finally, he went back to his dish and finished eating. Now, what do you think is the main idea of this passage? The puppy likes to eat, or the puppy takes a long time to eat? Think about it. Was it eating without playing? No, it kept playing while eating. So, the main idea sentence will be puppies take a long time to eat. Now let's recall. The main point the author wants us to know is the most important idea in a paragraph. Sometimes the main idea is in the middle or at the end of the paragraph. Use titles and headings. Use topic sentences. Use concluding sentences. Thank you.